my name is Jim Wilson. Welcome to my course, Working with Classes and Interfaces in Java. I'm managing partner of JWHH LLC and have had the good fortune to have been a professional software developer for over 35 years. Hey, did you know that Java continues to be one of the most sought-after programming language skills? Java is used to develop everything from smartphone apps, to websites, to server-side processes, to the many smart device features that make up the Internet of Things. In addition, a recent survey listed Java as one of the 5 most important skills for data scientists and big data processing. To work effectively in any of these environments, you'll need to understand how to work with Java's core object-oriented features, classes, and interfaces. And that's exactly what you'll learn in this course. Some of the major topics we cover include declaring and using classes, constructors and initializers, class inheritance, declaring and implementing interfaces, nested types, and anonymous classes. By the end of this course, you'll be ready to begin working in any of the many environments that rely on Java. Before beginning this course, you should already be familiar with the basics of the Java programming language. I hope you'll join me as we continue building our Java programming skills with the course, Working with Classes and Interfaces in Java at Pluralsight.